Hi, my name is Brooke. The name of my invention is Keep Asleep 9000. The purpose of my invention is to stay asleep at night. This is how my invention works. It plugs your ears while you sleep. I made two pairs. One is for when you sleep on your side, so it won't crush the cups. This is for when you sleep on your back, and you can put it on like this, and it's plus, and it can help. It will help you sleep when your brother or sister cries at night.